I'm pretty excited about this one. This is by Hardell, and it is a rechargeable rotary tool. I don't know that much about it, so we're going to take a look at it. I love these rotary tools. You can do so much with them, and this one being battery powered should be really fun to use. So let's take a look. We've got a USB-C port, battery status, speed level, switch, chuck lock. So pretty standard setup. Let's take a look. I like it already. I like the case. It's just cool. Compact. Latches. Everything's wrapped and clean. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. It has a light. Oh man. I'm already impressed. 6,000 RPM, 10,000, 14,000, 18,000, 23,000. 14,000 RPM. That's pretty cool. There's your charging port, magnet. Oh, that's neat. Just little things like that. Magnet. This is nice. All right, what do we got here? Oh, whole nother. Got cutting discs. Cable fits in here. There's our tool. Got the drum for the sanders. All the sanders, discs, pads for polishing. Are these little saw blades? They're little tiny saw blades. I can't wait to try this. Some grinders, wire brush. This is cool. I like these bits. Okay, this is very cool. I'm not even sure why they include this tool, except for the little tiny screwdriver that you use to put the sanding pads on. So this is in the unlocked position. Fitting slides in and out. Turn it to locked. Fitting is locked. That is really cool. Unlocked, comes out. Locked, locked. That is pretty cool. All right, let's do something here. That is pretty neat. Really easy to use. I really like this. This is a neat tool. Alright, I really want to try one of these little tiny saw blades. One thing, you got to be careful with these shafts. That's very thin. I dropped one time, dropped the whole tool, and it bent the shaft, so you got to be careful. Everything's so small. Now, if we go this way, yeah, so we want to turn this way. Put this in here, put this in there. So it's gonna turn this way. All right, so we unlock. That is so cool. Lock it in, check it. Okay. Oh, look at that. Very neat tool. I love this. It has a lot of power. Has everything you'd want. Rechargeable, compact. The case is really nice. How it locks in the tools is really cool. I wonder if this will fit without taking it apart. Fit down in there. Yes. Very cool. All right. Yes, go get yourself one of these. This is a very handy tool. For a rotary tool, I love this. I have 3 wired rotary tools already, but this is my new favorite. This is my go-to. I love that. Very good job. Well done.